Hi, welcome to Core Survey. Today we are going to see the demo of nutrition requirement to user based on the health condition project by MERN technology. First, go to README file. Here, open the blank MongoDB, create DB like nutrition. Input the db.json file like nutrition.rme file and import the all db.json. Then go to the VS Code. Here import your project roots. Go to file, click on to the open folder button option and import your project folder. Here the backend and client are the two folders are there. The backend folder is backend folder which is going to connect to the Mongo schema, MongoDB. The client folder is a front-end folder. And here are the project codes by using JSS format. Go to terminal. In terminal, I have already opened the two terminals like backend and client. Go to set your part like CD backend. And the backend file should run by giving npm start. The client front-end file should be run by giving npm run there. The backend file server is running in localhost 4000. AWS connection is ready to connect MongoDB. The front-end file is running in localhost 5173. Go to follow link. The project is open. And these are all the two modules of the nutrition requirement to user based on the project. First, you go to admin module. Here the password is in there in README file. The admin user ID is admin@gmail.com. The password is test. For user, the user ID is user@gmail.com. The password is test and 100 capstring. The password is test. Login successful. Then these are all the admin home modules. The admin can add nutrition requirements and view nutrition requirements and update and delete the nutrition requirements. And the admin can use common nutrition and view the common nutrition details. And the admin can update and delete the common nutrition. And here are the view feedback module. Here the admin can view the feedbacks from user side. And then my profile module. This module is view the admin profile details. First, go to app nutrition requirements. Here are the two post requirement module are there. The first one is select type is gender there, and the second one is gender modules are added. First, go to post requirement module. In this post requirement module, you can select type like BMI, cholesterol, blood pressure, protein, jaundice, white blood cell, and blood glucose level like FPGL, FMGT. Select one BMI. Again, which level you are going to add to the user requirements like low, normal, high, moderate, tricep, and extreme. Here you can add first low. In the range type of the module, which is going to view the view from user side, like the range. If the BMI range is below 18.5 means you below 18.5. The BMI range is below 18.5. The status is low, and the BMI range is 18.5 to 24.9 means the BMI range is normal. If you select high, the BMI range about 29.9 and above. Then give the suitable titles, like if I selected low and the range between range, the given test lab value range is 18.5 and below, means this is the test lab value. This is going to give the from user side and give some to suitable titles like the use and requirement titles and give the respective description. Then click on to the submit button. I have already given the post requirement module details and click on to the view nutrition requirement. Here you can view the two post requirement details here. First one is view requirement and view requirement 2. Go to the view requirement. I have already added the type and the range between the range between 8.5 to 24.9 means the status to be normal. The status is deferred by giving the range as per the range model. Then you can set by BMI, cholesterol. I already added the details like cholesterol, BMI, jaundice, pressure, hemoglobin, etc. Here you can update and delete your given details to the user requirement. Here you can update the range, the title and the description type. The status is normal. If you want to change the status, you can change the status and etc. Click on to the update button. Here I can add the details. Then the next module is post requirement 2. Here in this module post requirement 2, select the type and select the gender. Like if the hemoglobin for male means select the 3 types of status like low, normal and high. The range for the male is below 13.8. Give the suitable title and description for a nutrition requirement to user. Click on to the submit button. After posting the requirement 2 modules, can view a nutrition requirement by click on to the view requirement 2 module. And these are all the hemoglobin I have already added for the gender type like male and female. I have added for male, the status is low, the nutrition requirements are shown here. If you want to update and delete it, you can update and delete here. Here are the hemoglobin and for children, for pregnant male, female, etc. And the RBC details are added. And back to admin home. Here are the third module like add common nutrition. You come to the add common nutrition, you can add problem like ortho common problem. You give the suitable title for the ortho common nutrition like etc. You can give and give the description and give the food items for ortho problem. You can do submit button. I already added the common nutrition details. By click on the fourth module, view common nutrition. Then I have already screened and the common nutrition. Can search by or anything else. Here you can view the common nutrition details even inside. If you want to update the details, means click on the update button. You can update it, and if you want to delete the details, means you click on the delete button. You can delete by ID itself, by individual. Okay, go to logout. Then go to user side. User ID is user@gmail.com. The password is test. I have already set the Verify, test at 100. You come to the login button, login successful. These are all the use of home modules. Like check my health, you can check your health by giving posting your test lab report value. Here you can search and find the common nutrition in the second module. Here you can give your good feedbacks. Here you can view your profile and you can edit your profile. And go to the first module, check my health. These are all the models of the check your health, like check your BMI, check your cholesterol, check jaundice, check protein, and check blood pressure, and check hemoglobin, like that. First you go to the check BMI, body mass index. Here you can give your BMI value from test lab. For example, if your test lab value from hospital side is something else, give submit button. You can give your requirement details, like I have given the BMI value is 70, its status is low. If you want to check your food requirements, click onto the check my requirement button. Here you can view the food requirement for your BMI range value. Your BMI range is 17, means the BMI less than 18 bucket, the food requirements are here. This requirement is handled by the admin side. The admin side can for BMI less than 17 for multiple types of status like low and multiple types of nutrition requirement inside. You can search here by multiple types like nutrition requirement details, search by your BMI status, and you can search by your nutrition requirement topics. Back to home, and you can view your BMI report here, the same like, and you go to the check cholesterol button. Here you can give your cholesterol level, like if I give 170 means, and the submit button. Then you can view your cholesterol report here. I have added 170 now. Just now, click onto the my requirement button. Here you can view a requirement to given cholesterol value, and these are the nutrition requirement topics, and these are the nutrition requirement you have to take. Then the same like check, you can check your jaundice, check your jaundice report. Check protein. You can check your blood pressure by giving ranges from 1 ranges to, like systolic pressure test lab value from 1 to if my blood pressure test lab value is 92 to 115. Click onto the submit button. Then here I can view my pressure requirement. Then view 92 to 115. My blood pressure range is normal. Status is normal. I have read just now. Then go to the back. You can view your blood pressure report by click onto the view blood pressure report module. Given the 92 to 115 systolic range, my test lab value range, and then click onto the check my requirement button. Then here are the nutrition requirement for my blood pressure range. This is the topic, and this is the nutrition requirement points. And this nutrition requirement which is added to the admin side. You can view the several number of nutrition requirements by the same range of value. The admin side can give the several number of nutrition requirements. And the next model is check hemoglobin. Here you can select your gender wise, like male, female, children, and pregnant female. And first of all, I am to select the male. And the male hemoglobin test lab we put there in this. Click on the submit button. You can give your nutrition requirement status here. I just add a told now. Gender male, and the range is told I have given, and the status is low. And click on the check my requirement button. You can give a nutrition requirements here, like the status is low and the nutrition requirement title is here, and these are the nutrition requirement points. Then you can check your RBC like that. You can check your WBC, and you can check your blood glucose level. This blood glucose level, you can enter your value of blood glucose lab value, like for fasting value, before taking food and after taking food value. And click on the submit button. I have already given the FPG test lab value, and you can view your test lab value for FPG. You can click on the view blood glucose FPG module, and here are the ranges. Click on the check my requirement button for your you can give your test lab value. After giving the test lab value, you can view your status like normal, high, and extreme. The range is the test lab value. For me, I have given the 134 to 106 means the status is extreme. And you can check your food requirement, like check my requirement, nutrition requirement. And these are the nutrition requirement title. These are the nutrition requirement topics and description. Back to home. And these are the 9 modules. You can give a test lab value for the several tests like that. And you can view your food requirements. And go to user form. And then the second module is search and find common nutrition. You can search and find your common nutrition for skin, for common nutrition for eye. You can search by here. If I search eye means the problem is eye, and the common nutrition title is shown here, and the nutrition requirements is points here, and the what type of food for we have to take for eye problems. It shows here. Can give your common nutrition and give feedback module. Is the third module. What is the give feedback module? You can tell your name and give your feedback there. And click on the feedback is submitted successfully. You can view your module, view your profile. Click on the my profile module. Here you can view your profile details of your name, email, and mobile city. Click on the edit. If you want to edit your details, click on the edit profile button. Here you can change your name, city, phone number, etc. Click on the submit button. Several the models are there from the user side of nutrition requirement to user based on the health condition project. Go to log. Okay.
Thank you for watching video. Have a nice day.